Hi, this is Samantha, and this tutorial will focus on how to use the 10-minute tutoring tool in Magic School AI. And this is a tool that was custom created for Horry County Schools, so you'll only find it if you are using the enterprise version of Magic School for Horry County Schools. So to find 10-minute tutoring, I am going to filter the tools by enterprise and then click 10-minute tutoring. And what this will do is it will help you to be able to generate a very short 10-minute lesson that you can lead a small group. All right, so what I'm going to do is click generate. And then I'm going to input some lesson specific information. So I'm going to say that I would like to lead a small group focusing on South Carolina standard. And then I'm going to input the standard. I'm also going to say that students read the upside down boy for Tier 1 instruction. Students in this group are struggling with hyperbole. And we'll send this message. Then this will generate a 10-minute response, and notice that it's going to connect it to the story that students read. It will also tell you their required resources and notes for differentiation. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more Dear Dis videos.